Hi friends, I want to show you my new solar lamp, split solar lamp. It's a split because you have the solar panel in one end and the actual lamp in the other, okay? Let me show you. This is really convenient because you can install the solar cell in a strategic place with a lot of sun, of course. And with this long cable, 5 meters long cable, then you connect it here and use the lamp wherever you need it, even if it's a place where the sun doesn't shows in the day. You get the two mounting accessories, one for the solar cell, one for the lamp, and you also get some screws and accessories to install it depending on where you are going to install it, and also of course the installing instructions. So let's install it and try it. Thank you. You see really good lighting from this lamp, and it's sun powered, so it's great. Gives enough light to our main patio, main entrance, and we like it very much. Really recommend it.